2019 Volkswagen Golf 1.4T. Like the Chevy Cruze, the 2019 Golf will have a small turbo unit geared towards fuel economy. Fortunately for Volkswagen, it already has such a thing developed to suit the US market, thanks to the 2019 Jetta. Without citing any source, Autoblog claims that the 170-horsepower 1.8-liter from the 2018 Golf will be switched out in favor of a 1.4-liter, making the same 147 horsepower as in the Jetta. Now, that is a 23 horsepower drop, but we're sure most customers won't care, especially when torque stays the same at 184 pounds-to-foot, 250 Newton-meters. And if you still want the 1.8T, it's still available in the Golf L-Track. Perhaps more interesting for some is VW's new gearbox choices. The Bass 5-speed manual that nobody buys will be replaced by a 6-speed manual, while the DSG will be switched for an 8-speed automatic, just like you get in the Jetta. I don't think there's been an automatic Golf for 15 years, but I might be wrong on that. Fuel economy is pretty much guaranteed to improve with the smaller engine because that's what it's been designed for. The Jetta returns up to 40 miles per gallon on the highway, and there's no reason the Golf can't come close. While they are giving us smaller engines, Volkswagen are unlikely to lower the price of the 2019 Golf. That's because both the Golf S and L-Track S base models will now receive standard emergency braking and blind spot monitoring. The article claims that the sport wagon cell grade will be discontinued due to slow sales and that LED headlights will be standard on the SC hatchback. While Europe is getting a new Golf next year, America will probably have to deal with this one for a couple more. And with production in Mexico ending, the future of the dorky 5-door is unclear. 2019 Volkswagen Golf 1.4T